highest paying jobs you can do from home without college. You don't need a college degree to earn a high income working from home. These 15 jobs offer flexibility, independence, and excellent earning potential, allowing you to grow your income without the need for a traditional education path. Whether you are skilled in writing, marketing, tech, or just getting started, there are plenty of remote opportunities to explore in 2024. The shift to remote work has opened the doors for high-paying jobs that don't require a college degree. Whether you are looking to escape from the 9 to 5 grind or simply want the flexibility of working from home, there are plenty of opportunities to earn a substantial income without needing a 4-year degree. Here are 15 of the highest paying remote jobs that allow you to build a career without college. Please don't forget to join us in our Passive Income Pioneer channel. Like and subscribe to see our new videos.